Namaste students. Today's subject is pharmaceutical jurisprudence for the B Form 5th semester. So the topic is study of silent features of drugs and magic remedies Act and its rules. In this topic, uh, included objectives, definitions, prohibitions of certain advertisements and classes of exempted advertisements, offenses and penalties. So, the Drug and Magic Remedies Objectionable Advertisements Act is an Act number 21 of 1954, which came in force on 1st of April 1955. So, the Drug and Magic Remedies Objectionable Advertisement Act 1954. The Drug and Magic Remedies Objectionable Advertisement Act 1954 is an Act number 21 of 1954. So, it extends to the whole of India except the state of Jammu and Kashmir. It was came into force by Gazette notification on 1st April 1955. So now we come to the definition. Drug, a medicine for the internal or external use of human beings or animals. Any substances intended to be used for or in the diagnostic, cure, mitigation, uh, treatment or prevention of disease in human beings or animals. So this is the definition of the drug. A talisman, mantra, kavacha, and any other charm of any kind which is alleged to possess uh, miraculous powers for or in the diagnosis, cure, mitigation, and treatment or prevention of any disease in human beings or animals, or for affecting or influencing in any ways uh, anyways affecting or influencing anyways the structure or any organic function of the body of human being or animal. So this is the definition, and next one is uh, the silent features of the advertisement. So the advertisement includes any notice, circular, label, and wrapper or other document, any announcement made orally or by any means of producing or transmitting light and sound or smoke. Taking any part in the publication of any advertisements includes the printing of the advertisements, the publication of any advertisement outside the territories to which this act extends by or at the instance of a person residing within the said territories. So the prohibitions, section 3. Subject to the provision of this act, no person shall take any part in the publication of any advertisement referring to any drug in terms which suggest or uh, calculated to lead to the use of that drug for the procurement of miscarriage in women and prevention of conception in women, or the maintenance of improvement of the capacity of human beings for sexual pleasure, or the correction of menstrual disorder in the womb. So this is the prohibitions of section 3, and the diagnosis, cure, mitigation, treatment or prevention of any disease, disorders or conditions specified in the schedule or any other disease, disorder or condition by whatsoever name called, which may be specified in the rules made under this Act. Uh, in respect of any disease, disorders, or condition which requires timely treatment in consultation with a registered medical practitioner or for which there are normally no accepted remedies, and after consultation with the Drug Technical Advisory Board constituted under the Drugs and Cosmetic Act 1940, and if the central government considers necessary, with such order, persons having special knowledge or practical experience in respect of Ayurvedic or Unani systems of medicine as that government deems fit. So, in respect of any disease disorders, the subject to the provision of this act, no person shall take any part in the publication of any advertisement relating to a drug if the advertisement contains any matters which directly or indirectly gives a false impression regarding the true character of the drug or make a false claim for the drug, is otherwise false or misleading in any material particular, subject to provision of any rules made in this behalf, any gathered officer authorized by the state government may, within the local limits of the area for which he is so authorized, enter and search at all reasonable times with such assist, if any, as he considers necessary, and place in which he has reason to believe that an offense under this act has been or is being committed, uh, which has a reason to believe, if the person contravening no court inferior to that presidency magistrate or a magistrate of first class shall try any offense punishable under this act, where a person has been convicted by any court for contravention and the provision of this act or any rule made thereunder, the court may direct that any document, including all copies thereof, article or thing in respect of which the contravention is made, including the contents thereof, where such contents are seized under clause of subsection 8 and shall be uh, quoted of the government. So this is the complete session. This session is powered by the digital version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. I hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in the comment box. I will resolve it your problem by the problem resolving class. Thank you and thank you for listening.